So let's try this problem. We're going to solve this. To solve it, look at all our properties to the right. We're going to use this property right here, and we're going to use it this direction to condense these two things into one. Because remember, when we're trying to solve for x, what we're really trying to do is get x by itself. Ultimately, we're trying to get x by itself. How can I get x by itself? Well, we have two x's here. So somehow we're going to have to condense them together, right? So we're going to condense it going from here to there. So this means I have log base 3 of 3x over x minus 2 equals 2. Okay, now what can I do to solve that? Well, I don't like logs. Logs are messy, right? I'm looking at this thinking, how can I get rid of the log thing? Well, that's this up here. It's the equivalency. I can rewrite every log as a exponential, right? So how would I rewrite that? 3.
Oh, so it's 3 to the 2 equals 3x over x minus.
Exactly. Got it?
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at that going, oh, I think I can deal with this. Because this is just 9, right?
Yeah.
So what now?
So 9 equals 3x divided by
And
x
how do I get
minus
x by
1.
itself here? How do I solve for x if I had a problem like this?
9 equals.
How about I multiply this over to this side? Right?
So it's 9x.
9x minus 18 equals 3x. Now what? Subtract 3x, 6x, add 18 equals 18, x equals 3. And then check it. Make sure it works. Plug in 3, and you'll see, oh yeah, this is like 3 squared. So this whole thing is like 2, right? 3 to what power equals 9? That's just 2. And then this is just like 1 here, and log base 3 of 1 is just 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Hey, it worked. Always check your answers.